stop. If you're thinking about buying ClawVID, there's something you need to know first. ClawVID is world's first OpenClaw-powered autonomous AI video creator that turns one simple idea into a complete 5 to 30-minute cinematic video. Script, scenes, voiceover, music, captions, SEO, and export, all done automatically. No editing, no stitching clips, no timeline headaches. You type one idea, and the AI instantly writes the full script, generates cinematic scenes, adds human-like voiceovers, mixes music, edits transitions, optimizes SEO, and exports a ready-to-publish long-form video. So here's the big question. Is ClawVID really the future of long-form AI video creation, or just another hyped launch? In this review, I'll show you exactly what ClawVID is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab ClawVID through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $900 absolutely free. What is ClawVID? The concept is simple. Give AI an idea and let it help turn that idea into video content. You're not simply looking for another chatbot. You're looking for a system that can help move you from idea to content to video, with less manual work in between. Benefits. Why people are interested. Long-form automation. One idea to complete 5 to 30-minute video. No editing. AI handles script, visuals, voice, and music. SEO optimization. Titles, tags, and chapters auto-generated. Commercial license. Sell videos to clients and keep 100% profit. Lifetime access. Pay once, create unlimited videos forever. Inside, ClawVID. You're getting OpenClaw-powered autonomous production engine, AI scriptwriter plus cinematic scene generator, 50+ natural voices in multiple languages, background music composer, auto captions and subtitles, SEO metadata generator, 1080p and 4K export options, commercial license included, and 30-day money-back guarantee. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Complete long-form video creation system. Beginner-friendly, no technical skills required. Unlimited videos, unlimited niches, and commercial license for agencies and freelancers. Cons. No guaranteed income. Results depend on your niche and consistency. Results. What to expect? Expect faster production, higher engagement, and more monetizable content. YouTubers. Create faceless, long-form videos daily. Agencies. Deliver cinematic client videos in minutes. ClawVID turns every idea into a complete, publish-ready video asset that looks like a $2,000 production. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab through the link below. Bonus 1. Long-form video profit blueprint. Value, $400. Step-by-step roadmap to create and monetize long-form videos for YouTube, clients, and courses. Bonus 2. DFY Video Agency Kit. Value, $500. Templates, outreach scripts, and pricing strategies to sell AI-generated videos as a service. Total bonus value, $900, yours free when you get ClawVID through my link today. So, is ClawVID worth it? If you want to stop wasting hours stitching short clips and start creating full-length cinematic videos that sell, then, yes, ClawVID is absolutely worth it. Click the first link in the description to secure ClawVID plus my $900 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.